Hello, welcome to Bharat Reselling. Upload your products and reach 16,000 resellers and 2,325 retail stores across India. In this video, we'll show you how to process an order as a seller quickly and easily. Let's get started. To do this, first search for Bharat Reselling on Google or in your preferred web browser. After that, select the Bharat Reselling website link. Once the web page opens, at the top right corner of the window, you can see an option called Seller Login. Click on that. In the Seller Login window, enter your account email address and password sent to your WhatsApp and email after the registration process, and then click the Login to Dashboard option. Now let's see how to process an order. Once you enter your dashboard window, you can see recent orders you've received listed below. You can either process an order by clicking Update in the Order Update option, or you can also check it out by choosing the Orders and Returns option on the left side of the window. In that, click Orders. Now you can see orders listed from recent to old with details such as order ID, order date, ordered products, payment status, and order update. To find a specific order from the list, search by typing the order ID in the search bar. You can also find orders by filtering with start date to end date. To process an order, first open the order received in the Orders window and check for stock availability. Then, click Update in the Order Update option. There you will see a window called Order Details. You will see details such as order details, payment details, product details, shipping details, and order status. In that, click on Order Status to update the current status of the order you've received. Remember, by changing the order status for each process, the reseller will receive status updates via SMS and email. If the quantity and product are available, change the order status from pending to order accepted. Then pack the required orders for shipping, and once done, change the order status to packed up and waiting for pickup. Make sure to download the invoice from the order details and attach the printed copy of it to the shipment package. Then, after shipping the package through courier, change the order status to Courier Collected and provide the courier name and tracking number. Once the courier reaches the reseller's billing address, mark the order status as delivered. That's it. You have successfully learned how to process an order as a seller. Start selling today and earn more profits with Bharat Reselling.